welcome back to the finale of our Western Cape tour. We just finished the tour. I spent 2 weeks here in Cape Town working, and this is the story of my way back home. And I have 3 days to get back home. Kilometers about 470 odd k's. Google suggests 10 hours. In total, I think it's going to be just over 1,500 k's. So aiming for 500 average over the 3 days. Heading over Ceres and the Guido Pass, then going to the Cederberg and then the Tankwa Karoo. So I'll probably catch you guys there. We're just outside of Wellington, heading to Ceres. And we're on the Bainskloof pass. Extremely hard to see with the sun and shadows, but it's a 25-kilometer pass. Here you can see Bainskloof Pass. It's quite cold. Just rested at the top of Bainskloof. There's these droplets of rain, mist rain. I had to put on my puffer jacket as the temperature dropped quite significantly. Yo, these turns are completely blind. No idea where the road leads until it's actually in front of you. But yo, what a fun road. It's almost so twisty, giving myself motion sickness. We just passed through Ceres, and I believe this is the Guido Pass. have a bike with enough power so you can pass slow vehicles on a pass. About 30 kilometers, we're going into the Cederberg and then turn right to go to the Tankwa. So we filled up in Cederberg and headed out to the Cederberg mountains, and now we turn right on the plain Cederberg road. It says Swart Ruggenspad. Again. Back down. Tar again. And there we go. We turn right to the Tankwa Karoo National Park to Middelpos. We were now on the R1200GS gravel road to Golfinia. Reception 75 kilometers into the Tankwa Karoo. It makes sense, it's flat, flood damage. Hopefully the road is not too bad. Saw a few animals when we passed the national park's main reception. We now turned off to go right to Middelpos and what we call a Gemsbok. I think it's known as an oryx in English. Had a couple of them run over the road and some springbok. Just look at this place. Quiet, desolate, beautiful. Just stopped for a snack in this dry riverbed. Quite deep sand. Almost got a fright when I got in, but it's no worries for these tractionator tires. guessing this is the bad road people were talking about. At least with the bike you can travel a lot faster. Perfectly named place, Middelbos. Petrol station, the hotel, and die winkel. So it seems I got only 120 k's left and 100 k's of petrol left. So if all plays well, I can drive sparingly. This should all the way to Williston, where I'm camping tonight. Basically the reason for all my luggage and side luggage setup is to carry all the camping gear. Awesome camp spot last night. Made a lovely fire. Had some scalp chops. Now making a coffee before I leave for Potchefstroom. I think I have everything. Everything seems empty. What a wonderful place to camp. And he's in Williston. Today is quite a long day. 530 kilometers to Alco, or other known as Potchefstroom. Not sure why, but Google Maps always extends the travelling time for motorcyclists. Maybe we are quite slow travellers. Currently says my arrival time is 20 past 6 tonight, and it's now just 20 past 8 in the morning. But I think it's a bit chilly, and this summer's jacket allows all the air to pass through. Bainskloof. I just want to check what happens if I take this road. Best part of an adventure are the sections that are unplanned, and for that reason, for this 3-day solo trip, I decided to only set myself in destinations but keep the rest of the day wide open. This allows for some extra time to explore routes or paths you have never seen before, and that is just wonderful. Okay, so it is quite hard to see, but right in front of me, about 15 to 20 meters, there's a springbuck running, unable or unwilling to get out of the way. So it took me about a kilometer or two to get past the springbuck. This thing is not slow.
As you can see, I had to accelerate past 100 km an hour to get past it.
Woohoo! I got past it.
So we've made it to the final day of this solo trip. We didn't have any rain except for the small raindrops that fell in Matatiel during our Western Cape tour. But as fate and luck will have it, the heavens opened up and it poured the whole day. I basically spent the whole day in my rain gear from the morning till the afternoon, and of course I selected a juicy gravel road for my way back home. So for some or other reason I couldn't set up my DJI Osmo and only recorded this on my GoPro. It was a bit of a hectic morning, and let me tell you guys, the rain was really intense. I know the footage doesn't show it, but sometimes I struggle to see the road and differentiate between the rain and the actual mud. With the lightning and thunder striking all over the place and this road slowly but surely starting to deteriorate into a sludgy, slimy mess, I was starting to doubt whether or not I made the right decision to select this road. But in the end, this is what adventure is all about. And sometimes you just need to stand up, keep looking ahead, and all will be well.